Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu states there was a man named Mais bin Malik of the Slum tribe who came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, I have committed obscenity, adultery. You may give the prescribed punishment to me. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam many a time rejected his confession. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then inquired of his people about him. They whereupon submitted, we do not know any of his mental illness, but he has committed something about which he thinks that it cannot be atoned except imposing the prescribed punishment. He again came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon commanded us to stone him to death. Hazrat Abu Sayyid radiyallahu anhu says, we then took him to the Baqi al-Gharqad. We neither fastened him nor dug any pit for him. We then pelted him with bones, stones and clods. Hazrat Abu Sayyid radiyallahu anhu says, he thereupon took to his heels and we ran after him until he reached a side of Harra. He stopped there and we pelted him with the stones of Harra until his body became motionless. In the evening, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivering the sermon said, whenever we set out to fight a holy war in the cause of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, someone stays behind among our women and utters voices like the bleat of belly goat. It is mandatory for me that I must administer such a person a deterrent punishment as has done so, and he has been brought to me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam neither made an invocation in his favor nor reproached him. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4403.